Dear beloved beacons of light upon the earth, I step forth with the goddess qualities of grace, humility, and love to greet you with tremendous respect and honor for the journey you are partaking upon the earth. My only wish is to offer to you insights and awakening to fuel your remembrance of the Creator within your being, but more importantly at this moment within the cells of your physical body. The cells of your body are so magnificent at a physical level. They are truly the creation of the Creator, but they also hold an ability to absorb, maintain, and hold vibrations of light, consciousness, and energy. Your cells are your treasure chests. You could say they are like bottomless pits with the ability to hold tremendous volumes of information and energy. What makes your physical body more magnificent is that you do not simply have just one cell but multiple cells. Your physical body is comprised of cells with their capacity of holding valuable knowledge and wisdom, especially downloading the divine blueprint within your soul and auric field. Your divine blueprint is the perfection of the Creator for your physical body, a template of manifestation that allows your physical body to exist with the magnificence you recognize now. You can imagine how magical it is to have every cell of your body holding within it the divine blueprint of the Creator for perfect health, well-being, vitality, and perfection. Each cell is like a universe, holding identical energetic information concerning your divine blueprint. Therefore, your blueprint is being magnified and energized multiple times to build and create all that you are, projecting the essence, magnificent, magic and beauty of the Creator into the reality of the earth. How amazing you are, and the vehicle you inhabit is. How beautifully and constantly your physical body is linked and connected to the Creator, always receiving the consciousness, energy, and templates of perfection of the Creator. Your oneness with the Creator is even recognized and evidential within your physical body. There isn't a part of your being that wasn't created by the Creator or isn't supported and linked to the Creator. Can you recognize you are a beautiful expression of the Creator, designed by the Creator to be so and to experience the Creator through many channels of your being, but especially your physical body? Do not disregard your physical body as being non-spiritual, disconnected, and separate from the Creator. Your physical body is as one with the Creator, in the same way you perceive your soul to be. There is sacred divinity within your physical body as there is within all aspects of your being. Your cells are akin to sponges to the light, love, and consciousness of the Creator. They are ready to receive, to magnify, and project. Living in a sacred ashram constantly focused upon the light of the Creator or within nature with no outside contact or influence, your cells would flourish with the light and consciousness of the Creator, creating the only perfection because that is all that is available. I say this to bring forth greater awareness. You are aware of the reality you exist within and the creations of others. There may be circumstances, energies, vibrations, consciousness, words, and even sounds that do not resonate with you and do not in your view hold the truth of the Creator. With this in mind, I remind you that your cells are akin to sponges, collecting all energies and consciousness to aid and use for the creation and rejuvenation of your being. Even unheard or unseen vibrations transmitted that you are simply not aware or conscious of can be absorbed by your cells and held alongside your divine blueprint of the Creator. Such energies can clog up your cells, causing them to function poorly and for the radiance and vitality of your body to decline. This could be perceived as a battle within your cells, but it can cause an experience of separation from the Creator and the body to show signs of suffering. It can be as simple as tiredness or imperfections on the body, e.g. spots, lines, and wrinkles. Again, I say this to bring awareness and a deeper intention of love within your cells rather than fear. If you find yourself at this moment thinking in fear, let me embrace you in my compassionate love. Allow soft pink light to penetrate your entire being to bring forth truth, understanding, and action from love rather than fear. Perceive yourself always as love rather than in any form of negative perspective. I share this information with you so you may understand the magnificence of your physical body and the importance of cell cleansing and purification. You live in a reality where the general consciousness of humanity can still influence your being and be absorbed by your cells. There is no need for you to carry heavy, old energies within your cells any longer. You have the ability to empower and free yourself from influences that do not resonate with the divine self, source and essence, recognize and give yourself permission to be. Now is the time to empower yourself and accept your divinity with the process of cell cleansing and purification. With your conscious awareness, you can achieve anything and everything, bringing yourself into complete alignment, recognition, and remembrance of the Creator within you. Free yourself from the burdens of the earth, igniting and raising the consciousness of your cells so they may work as the Creator intended. You can achieve cell cleansing and purification in so many ways. Your intentions and awareness of this process manifest it with tremendous ease. When washing your physical body, let yourself focus upon these words. With the strength of my soul, I penetrate every cell of my body with the purest vibration of light, love, and Creator consciousness. My cells are healed of unneeded energies. Magnified is the blueprint of the Creator. I am health, vitality, and love. You may say it once or as a repetition, but imagine your cells being empowered once more. In quiet time or meditation, you can call upon my energies, Lady Quan Yin, asking me to send a light of purification and cleansing from the goddess vibrations through your entire being like a wave penetrating all your cells. Sit imagining the light penetrating every cell, being cleansed and purified, encouraging your entire being to transform in love. You may notice a peace and contentment emerging from your cells and reflecting into your physical body. The intention of purifying and cleansing your cells can be practiced daily as a process of raising the vibration of your body to commune with your soul and the Creator, creating harmony, unity, and love. It can be as important as washing your physical body, but can also offer a tremendous sensation of freedom as you tap into the magnificence of the Creator. With love, compassion, purification, and cleansing. I am Lady Quan Yin.